Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the problem and gathering tools: a soft cloth, a toothpick, 70% isopropyl, and a small brush. You should disconnect the earbuds and power off nearby devices to avoid interference. Inspect the speaker mesh, cable strain points, and charging contacts closely. Dirt, lint, or corrosion are the most common causes. Once done, gently floss the mesh with a soft brush and use a toothpick at low angle to lift debris. This preserves the driver while clearing blockages. Now you clean and test systematically. Remove silicone tips and wash them with mild soap, then let them dry completely because moisture ruins drivers. Use the brush to dislodge debris from the mesh and a cotton swab dampened with 70% isopropyl to clean contacts. Do not soak internal parts. Once everything is dry, reassemble and repair the earbuds to your device. Play a stereo test track and speak into the mic to verify left/right balance and microphone function. Finish by deciding repair versus replace. If you find frayed wires or torn insulation, you can use heat shrink tubing or seek professional soldering. Internal driver faults usually mean replacement. Once any repair is done, perform a factory reset or update the earbuds firmware, because software glitches often mimic hardware faults. Make sure to test the earbuds on a second device. If the problem persists across devices, pursue warranty service or replace them. If nothing works, a single troubleshooting tip: swap source devices and cables to rule out upstream issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.